Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen and here go to home screen layout. By default it is set to home and app screens. That means app screens will be showing on the home screen. See here, this is home screen, and if you swipe up like this, all apps are showing. So it's showing both home screen. This is home screen. They are showing both home screen and app screen. Okay, if you want to set it to home screen only, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings again and go to home screen and click on home screen layout and select second one, home screens only. All your apps will be shown on the home screen only. Okay, click on apply and see the changes. If you swipe up, there will be nothing showing. That is, app screen is not showing now. All apps are available here, home screen itself. Okay, so in this way you can easily change home screen layout. If you want to change back to default one, again go to the same settings, click on home screen and click on home screen layout and set back to home and app screens. Click on apply and see the changes. If you swipe up now, all apps will be showing here. So in this way you can easily modify or customize home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.